Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do question number two from the benchmark packet. I did question number one using finding the slope or the average rate of change using y1 or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I could also use that on this one, but I'm going to show you how to use the spreadsheet instead because they also want us to find the 21st term. So if we could come up with the equation, it'll be easy to come up with to find the 21st term. So let me read this. So it says, determine the common difference of the arithmetic sequence in which A1 equals 5 and A5 equals 17. So basically what they're saying is we've got a linear function that's an arithmetic sequence, and they want us to find the common difference. Another word for the common difference is just slope. So all we're doing is finding the slope. Just like we found the slope in the previous problem, we're finding the slope here, except that now the notation is a little different. So what I want to do is I want to decipher this. So whenever you see this subscript number, that's telling you what the term is. So A1 means the first term, A5 means the fifth term. So if I were putting this in X and Y, the first term would be 5, and the fifth term would be 17. So now that I've kind of made it into an X and Y, we can just use the spreadsheet. Again, we could also do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, but I'm going to use the spreadsheet because I want you guys to be able to use that as well. So I'm going to go here, use the spreadsheet. Let's see here. First thing I'm going to do is go here. I'm going to use the spreadsheet. I'm going to put an X here, Y here, and then we're going to put the first term. The first term is 5, and the fifth term is 17. All right, so now that I've got those, all I'm going to do is go back to the home screen. You guys know how to use this. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I don't want this one, so let me get rid of that. Delete the page. All right, so go to home screen. I'm going to go here. Going to put the X at the bottom for the X-axis, put the Y over here for the Y-axis, and then I'm just going to do menu 461, menu 461. Here's my equation. Here's my linear equation. So the slope is 3, the y-intercept is 2. This is it. So they were asking for the slope, so the slope is going to be 3. So if I go back to I would say the common difference or the slope is equal to 3. We could also see it this way. The difference here is 12. The difference here is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we've also got that. Now, so you can do it either way. You can use a spreadsheet or you can use the formula. Now, the reason I wanted to use the spreadsheet is they asked us to find the 21st term. Well, now that we have the equation here, menu 461, ups, menu 461. Now that we have the equation, we can actually use this equation to find the 21st term. This is how I would do it. I would go here, just going to use the graph. I'm just going to do 3x plus 2. That was the equation we got. Now, all I need to do is, if I go to the table, I could do this either way. I could do Control T, go to the table, and look for the 21st term. I go all the way down to 21 right here. Tells me that the 21st term, the output is 65. Or I could do this, Control T. I could just use menu 51. And then since they gave us the term or the X value, I could just type in that 21. I need the 21st term. It tells me that the 21st term is 65. So that would be my answer for this. So if I go over here, I would say the 21st term, A21, is equal to 65. That would be it. That's how you would do it. Now, again, the reason that I used the spreadsheet on this one is because I needed the equation for the arithmetic sequence. So that made it easier to find the 21st term. I could have just done the y2 minus y1, but then I would have to find the y-intercept. So this does it. The spreadsheet does everything, so it's much easier. All right. All right. I hope that's been helpful. Sign off.